Alright guys, because I learned my lesson the hard way, I got a surge protector and we're about to test this baby out one more time. Plug it in and then I'm going to plug it in and then voila, it's working. You don't believe me? Okay, fine then. You don't believe me? Let's put something inside. I'm gonna put a hot water. Cold water. Sorry, I'm gonna put cold water, and then obviously place the cup, and then 3 minutes. I will come back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. This is still running, but I just want to check if it is hot. So we are good. Gives me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Probably not like this, because yeah, this was an exception. But if I do end up making some videos to save you money because you're a broke boy for real, you must subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I had an electric surge that fucked up most of my appliances, and because I'm a broke boy for real, I did some quotations on how much it would cost me to fix this, and I think I bought this microwave a few years back, probably 4 or 5 years ago, and it was going for like $1,000 plus minus. And when I was asking on how much it would cost me to repair, some electricians were charging me anywhere from 800 rand to 1,000 rand, and a new microwave of the same size cost about 1,300. So I took it upon myself, because I'm a broke boy, to fix it myself. So I took out this part of the microwave. Excuse me, it's a bit dirty, and got access to the PC board, and then I had an electrician fix it. I do remember when I opened it, some of the resistors were burnt out. There was a capacitor that had blown as well, and I can see that the electrician replaced one of the capacitors that I had blown, and he also replaced the fuse that was also blown. So I'm about to put it back together, and I hope you guys find this educational. So there is a slight challenge. I don't remember how I took this apart, and I'm hoping that I took some pictures to just remember how the wiring looked. So yeah, just join me as I, yeah.
you.